Hi, this is Andrea Odom, and this is video discussion week 7, the grant proposal. Place-based learning is super important. It's an excellent way to help students connect with historical places they're learning about in the classroom. When students are in the locations they're reading and writing about, it brings history alive and fosters a deeper understanding of historical events. Any travel-based study of World War II and the Holocaust should include visits to one of the or more of the concentration camps, the Normandy beaches, and those are keys. So traveling with a knowledgeable tour guide and professors also, or maybe even guest speakers, also broadens the learning while they're on tour. Students, for my grant proposal, I would love to write a grant to get some money. It wouldn't be the total trip cost because, going to Europe is fairly expensive, but if it could offset some of the costs by writing a grant proposal to be able to take 10, maybe 15 students over on a trip, a place-based trip, that would be great. The high school students, if I were going to write a grant proposal, I would look first to our county educational foundation, and I would write a grant to them. If it were a college-based group, then I might try writing maybe the Holocaust Museum of the Carolinas, the Stan Greenspon Center that is putting the museum in Charlotte. They actually have some grants through them through Queen's University that you can apply for to do World War II Holocaust trips. So that might be a possibility if it were a college group. Right now I'm teaching high school, so I would probably start, there. Before they left for the trip, I would obviously have them read some about Normandy and about the Holocaust. One good book for the Normandy beaches is The Longest Day. And then a book for the Holocaust is War and Genocide by Doris Bergen. That's the book that I was required to read for my certificate in Holocaust studies. So that would be my grant proposal. And the trip would be, I hope, about 14 days. They do have an 11 and a 14-day option. They go to sites Normandy, Dachau concentration camp, Nuremberg, and others. So it would be a very good and educational trip. When I was in college, I took a similar trip, and that's what gave me the idea. So that's my grant proposal. Thanks a lot.